So let me show you core techniques, awesome to do if you're looking to train. You've got to be out on the water and you're surfing. Make sure that your upper back is really strong and stable. So this is one of the tough neuro strength moves for core. You bring your hands onto the ground with the roller right at the bottom of your knees, and you're going to take a breath in, and on an exhale, roll your knees in and then come all the way out, lower yourself down, and then come on back up. Let's try that 4 times. Curling the knees in, extending out, lowering down, and then bring it up. 2 more. Curl it in, extend it out, lower down, come on back up. 1 more time. Curl it in, extend out, lower down, and then come up. So let's see if you can do it now for the pattern. So you come in, down, in, down. 2 more. In, down. 1 more. In, and down. And come on all the way back up again. Give that one a try. I know that one's a tough one, but great to do to build upper body strength and core strength at the same time. Awesome before you go out into the water to be strong and stable in your upper body. I hope that helps you. Happy melting.